Good day, guys. Today we have a question from my student. She gave me this y equal to 4x squared minus 4x minus 7, and you're supposed to change this into the completed the square version, which is in the form of y equal to your a bracket x plus h bracket square plus k, alright, where your a, your h, and your k are your constants and your x is your variable. Okay, we're going to change this into this complete the square version. Why we need to do this? Because in this form, in this complete square version, rather than the quadratic equation here, it is easier for us to, to sketch the quadratic curve, right? Whether it's going to be a minimum curve or a maximum curve, right? Okay, let me just erase this one first. Okay, we're going to continue this. So in order to do the complete the square version, it's very important the coefficient of your x square must be 1. So in order to do that, we have to factorize the 4, right? Take out the 4, so we have x square here, and we're going to have your negative x and negative 7 over 4, right? Close bracket. Okay, that's your first step. That's cool, right? So the next step will be what? What do you call it? The one that you already learned before, which is your a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This is the what you call the complete square version form. This a minus b bracket square, right? It means your x and your a are the same. It means your negative x here must be equal to your negative 2ab, right? So it's quite. Therefore, once we do that, we're gonna get your b here, right? What is going to be your b? So your negative 2ab give you your is equal to negative x. Therefore 2ab equal to positive x. A and b are equal, so it's cut off. So 2b equal to 1. That means b equal to half. That is your value for your b in this equation. Okay, let me change the color. Alright, that means 4 equal to 4 bracket x squared minus x plus b squared, which is your half here, right? Okay, this is the value that you put in, so you can minus the same value, minus half here again, right? And of course minus 7 over 4, right? Back to what we have here before. Okay, that's all. Simple. Right, so these three things is the same as these three things, right? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Therefore we're going to have your 4, okay, equal to your 4 bracket your a minus b. In this case your a is your x, right, and your b is half, negative half, right? Negative half, close bracket square, and then of course you're going to give you this one, give you 1 over 4, then of course negative 7 over 4 put back here, right? 7 over 4, yeah, close bracket. Therefore equal to 4 close bracket here x minus half bracket squared minus 8 over 4 close bracket. So equal to, open up the square bracket, will be 4x minus half close and minus 8. That's all. Therefore in this case, if you compare this with the one on top here, it means your a equal to your 4, right? Your h equal to your negative half, and your k equal to your negative 8. That's all, folks. Okay, this is your first video, our first video, and after this we will sketch the graph of this equation. Cool, isn't it? So till next video, thank you for watching.